We had said that classifying persons who are similarly placed based on experience, as well as coming up with an arbitrary figure saying that persons of basically having 1 to 4 years of experience in category 2 and 5 years and more in category 3 is basically an artificial classification, not a real classification, and that there was no intelligible differentia for the purpose of making this classification in the first place, and that there was no reasonable nexus with the objectives that the state wanted to obtain in the shack policy. Now the petition came up for hearing. It was argued yesterday and it came up also today. The petition has been admitted, a rule has been issued, and interim relief has been denied to us. There is no interim relief in the petition, but it has been made clear by the court that all the checks, allotments that are going to be done by the government of Goa will be subject to the outcome of this petition, which has been admitted. And the court has also ordered that the petition should be expedited, and after completion of pleadings, liberty has been given to us to approach the court for the matter to be taken up.